Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're taking a deep dive into a true legend of the dual sport world, the 2026 Honda XR650L. For decades, this bike has been the go-to machine for riders who demand rugged reliability, off-road toughness, and on-road practicality. The 2026 model continues the tradition while receiving a few thoughtful upgrades that keep it relevant in today's adventure landscape. Let's explore what makes this classic endure year after year. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Honda XR650L stays true to its purpose-built roots with a design that emphasizes function over flash. The familiar high front fender, long travel suspension, and tall stance remain, but subtle refinements give it a fresher look. The new LED lighting setup, redesigned graphics, and a slightly slimmer seat profile add a touch of modern flair without losing its rugged charm. Built with durability in mind, it's still that no-nonsense machine ready to tackle anything from city commutes to desert trails. Performance and powertrain. Powering the XR650L is the same legendary 644 cubic centimeters air-cooled single-cylinder engine, known for its bulletproof reliability and strong low-end torque. For 2026, Honda has fine-tuned the fuel mapping for smoother throttle response and better fuel efficiency. The 5-speed transmission remains, offering smooth shifts for both highway and trail use. The suspension system, with long travel Showa forks and a ProLink rear shock, has been slightly recalibrated for improved comfort and control. This bike continues to be a perfect balance between raw off-road grit and everyday usability. Safety and technology. While simplicity has always defined the XR650L, Honda has introduced a few modern touches for 2026. The updated digital instrument cluster now features a clearer display for speed, trip, and fuel readings. The improved LED headlight enhances visibility during night rides, and the lightweight frame continues to provide excellent stability and maneuverability. It may not be packed with electronic aids, but that's exactly why purists love it: pure mechanical connection between rider and machine. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda XR650L carries its heritage proudly into a new generation. It's tough, reliable, and built to conquer any terrain without unnecessary complications. Whether you're exploring remote trails or cruising through city streets, this dual-sport icon remains one of the most versatile and trusted machines in its class. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more reviews and deep dives into the rides that define true adventure.